10th of November, when I walk you home, that's when I nearly say it. You didn't say forget it and froze. Do you remember? You broke every dawn. Caught the spike in the sky, took a hold of your eyes where it's born. Yesterday, take way too much and say you're too late. Too right, but wanna say, delete it, the music, but I still remember it. So I wish you don't text it in midnight. Wish I was the reason you stay up to 3 and you can't fall asleep, waiting for me to reply. I was more than just someone you want. Why? Wish I wasn't scared to be honest enough and instead of just loving you believe what I'm feeling inside. I'm really sad and nothing has changed. It's hard to get by when you feel in your mind every day. Sometimes I question if you feel the same. Do we make stupid jokes trying to hide that we both too afraid to say I wish I was who you don't take it when we night. I was the reason you stayed to 3 to can't fall asleep. Wait for me to reply. I wish I was more than just someone who walked by instead of just being hurt your side. Oh, and here we go again. Destroy my chance to give you pain. Hiding away, 'cause I was so big, you say no more. I wonder if I cross your mind, thought as much as you into mine. Trying to tell the truth, what I really think, I don't know. I send you this thing with me